Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mustansar Yaqub and I'm from Lahore, Pakistan. I'm English language teacher and I have got over 15 years of experience teaching English language to professionals and students in classroom and online. Job-wise, I'm a trainer and my knowledge areas are customer care, soft skills and communication in voice and non-voice channels. Today in this video lesson, I would like to bring some light on the psychological issues of the English language learners they face while trying to speak English. I would also provide you the solutions or the useful tactics to overcome these problems. So let's get it on. The very first problem that I have seen in many students that is that I can't speak English. Even they have got the knowledge and they have got a good and sound educational background, even then they think they can't speak English. You have to change this mindset that you can't speak. If you have got the knowledge, then you must try to speak also. Everything is difficult when you start first time. So if you have got the knowledge and you have got educational background and you have learned English as a subject throughout your educational career, then you must try to speak also. So this problem, I can't speak, is found in many students. Even they don't try, but they think that they can't speak. Now the next problem that I have seen in many students, I'm learning English but I don't know, can I speak English or I can't. So whenever you learn, you should always apply it also. So as a learner, if you are learning English or you are trying to improve your English, then you must speak also, and you should not feel shy. Then you will never be able to improve your English. Don't think that you can't speak. If you are learning, then you must apply the knowledge or the information that you absorb. I would like to tell you another psychological problem. I can speak English but I hesitate because I don't have self-confidence. So this is another major problem that I have found in many learners, that they don't have self-confidence. Well, this is the matter of the fact English language is not ours. So we have to have some self-confidence when you speak this language, and this confidence can be obtained only by speaking. Little by little, when you try, every day you will improve. So if you can speak English, then you should not or must not hesitate to speak it. Unless and until you will not speak it, you will not improve it. So more you speak, more you improve. Well, there are many students or learners, they say we don't have environment, and if I speak English with my friends, they laugh at me, so I don't speak. And I will tell you one thing, that if people, they don't respond you in English language, even if you speak English with them, you improve your English. So no matter if they don't answer you in English, they answer you in Urdu language, but you keep on speaking English with them. And everybody understands English nowadays. So if you speak English with your friends and they answer you in Urdu, even then you improve your English. So keep on speaking with them, and even you can find some other opportunities, and there are many other ways that you can speak English where you can improve also. Now there is one more psychological problem which I have found in my students. They have got some fear that if they speak English, so they'll make mistakes and the people will make fun of it, so they don't speak English. Well, mistakes are always good if you overcome or you remove your mistakes. So if you don't make mistakes, you don't learn. If you can speak English but you have got only this fear that you will make mistakes, so you should not think like this. Even if you'll make mistakes, then there is no problem, because later on when you will overcome your mistakes, then your English will be perfect. So that's why I always encourage my students, even you make mistakes but keep on speaking English. Sooner or later you will remove your all mistakes and you will be confident also. Okay my dear friends, I hope this video will encourage you and boost your confidence to speak English. I will come up again with some more information and knowledge about English language. So stay tuned, take care, Allah Hafiz.